Zhanjiang Sapoe Electric Appliance Company Limited, established in 2001, is a professional, high-tech enterprise engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of auto vending machines, auto coffee machines. We are located in Zhanjiang with convenient transportation access. Auto vending machines are Sapoe Technical Cooperation new products with professional Italian and Korean manufacture of coffee machine. Products are exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, South America, Korea, and over 50 countries in world. Also, we are an OEM manufacturer for many national and global enterprises of well-known brands. We also welcome ODM orders. We have obtained over 20 national patents technology. Meanwhile, 2008-2009 National Torch Program Projects Technological Innovation Fund of Guangdong Province. In addition, we have also obtained CE, CB, KC, NCC, COC, and LFGB certificates. We build total quality control system from product design and development to raw materials, incoming inspection system, in-process inspection, and finished goods inspection. Spare parts accord with state health standards, European ROHS, and American FDA standard. Sapoe's products are based on the market with first-class design, stable performance, excellent quality, and comprehensive services. We continuously improve production condition and import advanced production process, constantly boost product development and technical innovation, strike to make product quality to reach international advanced level.
Better Sapoe, better life. Welcome to Sapoe.